guys, what we have here is my Quilima Q11 mini camera, which I stick on some of my cars and boats and even the aeroplanes. It's nice and small. It's I think it does 1920 by whatever it is, 1080 resolution, and I like it a lot. And I had it strapped onto one of my kites a long time ago, and it wasn't staying in place very well, so I designed a holder for it, which I haven't tested yet. A friend printed it for me. The idea is this slides in here, the slot on the top leaves space for access to the buttons, and then I've cut a little hole in there because I couldn't see the little LED in there. But this is I think this is actually the Mark II, because I added these little pegs on it so that you could stick it on the crossbar of the kite and then put the rubber bands round, and it'd be strapped onto the crossbar, as I call it. And I still haven't actually tried it on a kite, but these have been handy holders to stick onto the cars and that sort of thing. I normally just use a lump of blue tack, but if I put the blue tack on here rather than directly on the camera, then I don't have the problem of potentially getting the blue tack stuck in the SD card hole or the micro USB holder socket. So that protects the camera. And then I had an idea, it would be nice if I modified it so that I could screw it onto a servo, so that I could actually turn it. So this was the Mark III version, where I just put a square on the bottom, which I haven't drilled out, but the idea was to drill a hole in it and stick that in. And then tonight I printed this myself with my own 3D printer, fresh off the printer, so it's still got the dross that we need to clean out. I haven't clipped it off here yet. It's coming off nicely. You can probably see the change that I've done to this one. So we've still got the pegs on it so I can use it on a kite. This time I've put these V cuts in it so that that'll actually go onto the cross member, and that'll help hold it in place as well. But now we've got this bit here, which I'll need to clean up with a drill bit, I think. But the idea, oh, look at that. Oh yes. Oh, hang on a minute, we might do a bit more. Right, I think now you can see where we're going. So I can put my mini camera in one of my cars or boats. And we can turn the camera. Oh yeah, oh, I'm quite pleased with that. I don't need these pegs on the side if we're just going to use it in the car or boat. But this is a multi-purpose mini camera holder now. Obviously I need to put a screw down through there to screw it onto there to hold it in place. But yeah, I'm quite pleased with that. That is a fun development. And I put a slot up the side here now so we can see the LED when we turn it on. There we go. Yeah, well, why is that not moving now? Oh, because I've got it on the middle position. Panic then, I thought something had gone wrong. The only thing I will say is I can hear that servo, and that camera is very sensitive, so it will pick up the noise. And I've no idea how smooth that is. Well, I suppose what one does is one turns it back on again, having turned it off. So that is now recording. So now that's probably too quick for the camera. It would be nice if it did a bit further on the turn, wouldn't it? If it could turn, well, we could do the full 360. But a little bit more than that would be handy. Right, press that button again. Red light comes on. Hold that button in about 6 seconds and eventually it goes out. Right, well, very pleased with that. So that is now recording. So now it would be nice if it did a bit further on the turn, wouldn't it? This turn, well, we could do the full 360. But a little bit more than that would be handy. Right.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.